Hello friends, welcome to Langslang. In this video, we will see 20 easy common Spanish words with their meanings. So let's start. Dog, perro, perro. Woman, mujer, mujer. Tree, árbol. Dance, bailar, bailar. Family, familia, familia. Heart, corazón. Fish, pescado, pescado. Beautiful, hermosa. Train, tren, tren. Flag, bandera. Flower, flor, flor. Apple, manzana, manzana. Street, calle, calle. Butterfly, mariposa. Chair, silla, silla. Soil, suelo, suelo. Star, estrella, estrella. Water, agua. Home, hogar. Goat, cabra, cabra. Now subscribe the channel for learning Spanish from basic.